For nearly 6 months without any relaxation, if there is one sector that was shut across the state of Tamil Nadu, that would be malls and theatres along with educational institutions. In fact, malls and theatres were one of the first to be shut, and even though we saw relaxations in various other sectors, this business did not see any kind of relaxations at all. But finally, after almost 5.5 months, the government has decided to allow them to operate, and we are currently at one such location in Chennai, a prominent one called as Phoenix Mall, and we have the person who manages this huge mall, Pooja Pati. Very nice talking to you. Thank you, ma'am. So, if you could explain to us, what are the standard operating procedures kind of thing for a customer who would like to enter? What have you placed for them?
So if you will see all around you, we've already placed a lot of guidelines that are mandatory to follow. For example, when they enter, mask is definitely mandatory to follow. When they enter, this is the main entry of Phoenix Mall. They need to, download this QR code and register themselves. So this is basically a check-in registration, which is by Enhance, which is an app which we have. Then as and when you see that there are guidelines all over the place, this is a mat where you can disinfect yourself. This is wet. And then you come and further disinfect your foot here. And then you move on to a dry mat so that your shoes are completely off the dust when you come. You come here and you show your Arogya Setu status. You download your app and show your Arogya Setu status if it is green. If it is, of course, red, we do not allow the person. You move here, we've invested in an artificial intelligence for mall density. As you can see that we have 2531 customers which have entered the mall today, and there are 627 already in the mall. The total that we will allow post-COVID to maintain social distancing is 13,500 at any given point of time. You move further, you see that we have a UV scanner. Any customers who are carrying their baggage or handbags, purse, they can put it here through this to further disinfect their baggage, and then it goes into the X-ray baggage scanner. The people move here, they hand sanitize. The thermal camera records their temperature, and when you come here, you can see the screen that the recordings of the person is temperature recordings are available here in green. If the temperature is above the requisite temperature, it will be red and it will give us an alarm. So we'll take the necessary prescribed precautions accordingly.
Yes, and inside the mall, what kind of steps have you taken to make sure that social distancing is maintained?
So if you see that when you move into the mall, you can see that there are stickers placed to stand 6 feet apart all over the place. If you move to the escalators, you will see further that we have put marked escalators at 2 steps each. You can see this banner here, right here. The 2-step distance while using escalators. Again, guidelines to use escalators are there. Again, you have a hand sanitizer here. You have a hand sanitizer here. So we have 100 such hand sanitizers across the mall which are touchless. So if you will see, while we are going up the escalator, you can go on the foot marking. And here I am. So this is how we are maintaining social distancing across elevators also. Same thing we are doing in elevators and washrooms, where your alternate cubicles have been blocked in ladies' washrooms, alternate urinals have been blocked in men's washrooms. Elevators also have marking more than 4 people cannot be in the elevator at any given point of time.
And about the other things that we could like to discuss, if you might, this business was closed almost for 6 months. How were you, is there, once you open up currently, what are the difficulties are there that you face?
See, definitely because the mall was closed for 5.5 months, there have been losses. Now that, it's very positive to see that today we already have around 160 stores between Phoenix and Palladium which have opened up on day 1. So that's definitely a positive aspect.
And also, even at this point, the government is a little bit reluctant about opening cinema theatres, especially they have made it very clear that theatres inside malls will not be allowed to be open. What is your view on that?
So, see, whenever we are ready with all the prescribed SOPs and guidelines, whenever the government tells us to open, we will open.
Right. Yeah. Thank you. So this way, the malls in the state, state of Tamil Nadu, once again, permission has been provided for them to function, and that's that's what you could see over here. This is a prominent mall where thousands of people would throng at one point, but after almost 5.5 months, it's been open currently. And this mall, as per the standard operating procedure, any mall in the state of Tamil Nadu will be sanitized every 1 hour. People have to maintain social distancing. They have to wear the mask all the while, and they have to actually maintain almost 2 feet distance from each other. That's the kind of standard operating procedure that have been placed over here. And the person who operates this mall has very clearly also mentioned that a minimum of only 13,500 people. That's the maximum amount they will allow inside a mall. That way, all sort of standard operating procedures have been strictly placed, and it has also been stated to the mall operators that they have to follow all these things. And that way, after 6 months, malls have been allowed to function in the state of Tamil Nadu and in the capital city without such a mall. With camera person Vijay Shekhar, Pramod Madhav for Mirror Now.